Welcome to Wee Onn Podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we expose how the CIA used Soviet metal to build a spy plane to spy on the USSR. Titanium has a rare combination of properties. It's as strong as steel, but weighs 45% less. This allowed the SR-71 to maintain high speed and altitude without being too heavy. The jet flew at over Mach 3.3, which means more than 3,500 km per hour. At that speed, air friction causes extreme surface heating, temperatures around 500 to 600 degrees Celsius. Traditional aircraft materials like aluminium simply couldn't handle it. They would melt or lose structural integrity. Titanium, on the other hand, retained its strength and shape, making it the perfect armor for a jet that was literally burning through the sky. Here's the wild part. The world's largest titanium reserves were in the Soviet Union, the very country the SR-71 was built to spy on. To get enough titanium, the CIA set up fake front companies to quietly purchase it from Soviet suppliers without revealing its real use. In short, the US built a spy plane to surveil the USSR using Soviet metal. The Cold War was full of irony, and this was one of its best-kept secrets. Titanium is incredibly tough, but also incredibly hard to work with. It wears down conventional tools, reacts poorly to certain chemicals, like chlorine, and requires specialized techniques for welding and forming. Lockheed engineers had to develop entirely new manufacturing processes to build the jet, including custom tools and sealants that could handle the stress of high-speed flight. Even building the plane was a battle against the element it was made from. One of the quirkiest facts about the jet is that it leaked fuel while parked. That wasn't a design flaw, it was intentional. The heat expansion during flight caused the titanium skin to expand and seal up perfectly at altitude. On the ground, when it was cold, the gaps between panels allowed fuel to drip out. Only after it took off and hit high speeds did the aircraft truly come together, almost like it was self-assembling mid-air. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.